our furnace went out at home. We called a contractor in to come and fix it, which they did. It worked for like a week. And after that week, it started blowing cold air. And I called the people that came out and fixed it, and their response to me was, it was working when we left. I didn't really like that answer.
I know what started him with coming to school was his own furnace issues. He had issues at home that he said, I don't want to pay anybody to do it. I could just learn and do it myself.
I never really had no idea about going back to school. That wasn't my passion. But I told my wife, I said, I think this is something that I want to do. I want to go back to school for HVAC. If I don't get a job in this field, at least I'll be able to keep our own furnace running.
My Uncle Tommy, he knew I worked at MATC. I'm having HVAC issues. Is there a class I can take to fix my HVAC furnace? I'm like, sure. Actually, I'm the advisor for that. And he didn't have a clue.
When I got there, I'm looking around like, man, I'm like the only person here with gray hair on his chin. And I'm proud to say that if I'm here, anybody can do this. You're never too young. 61 years old, I would have never thought about coming back to school, let alone getting an associate degree.
Whether you're 18, 70, you come through that door, we offer every opportunity from scholarships to coaching.
I got awarded the Shakota Scholarship, the Metallica Scholarship. Something that I never knew that I was a part of, it was out there for me. But they made sure that I had what I needed. I had one of my closest friends call me and told me how much of inspiration I was to him. And I'm like, why is that? He said, dude, you graduated, 61 years old. You did something that most people our age don't do. Seeing what you did, I kind of want to go back to school for IT. And I'm talking to him like, do it. 4 years later, my furnace is still running. And I'm proud of that because I did that myself. My name is Tommy Wilhite. I graduated at the age of 61. And I just want to say to all y'all out there, maybe people my age, might be a little older than me, it's never too late. You're never too old to learn. And you can teach an old dog new tricks.